Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer scheduling data into Google Calendar via Zapier. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. Once you're logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger section, search for the app containing your scheduling data. Select that app and choose the specific trigger event that aligns with your needs. Follow the prompts to connect your scheduling app to Zapier. Test the connection to ensure it's working properly. Next, you'll be directed to the Actions section. Search for Google Calendar in the apps list. Select Google Calendar as your action app. Choose the action event you want, like Create Detailed Event. Again, connect your Google Calendar account to Zapier. Authorize Zapier to access your Google Calendar if prompted. After connecting, you'll need to set up the details for your Google Calendar event. Map the relevant fields from your scheduling data to the Google Calendar fields. This may include the event title, date, time, and description. Be sure to check that everything is correctly aligned. Once you've completed the setup, click on Continue to proceed. You can then test the action to confirm that the data is being transferred correctly. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap. Your scheduling data will now automatically populate into Google Calendar based on the defined trigger. You've successfully set up a seamless integration using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.